what's up everybody? So I'm finally gonna make the video where I show the truck that I kind of abandoned in a way, because it's filthy right now. And if y'all thought it was the dually, then y'all are right, because that's it. It's probably been here more than half a year at least. It's been under this carport, but still, you know, they still get all dirty and grimy and all that. So this one will definitely need a good detail and a good buff. I gotta see if it turns on. Which I don't think it's gonna turn on. Let's see. I might have to boost it up. Yeah, they're actually helping me out. It's a 454, which needs a lot of, not a lot of love, but it could look better. It still looks all stock. It still has a lot of the emission stuff on it. Has a small cam. I'm not sure the size of it. And it has an exhaust on it. 24-inch custom cut Alcoas 18-wheeler wheels, which were shimmed down from 24.5 to 24 so I could fit the tire. These back ones were also they were trimmed in the middle, that way they have like a flat surface. Because if you look at the front wheel, you see how it's kind of curved right here, so they had to like shim the face kind of flat so the wheels fit closer. This one has hydro boost. No EC right now. I'm gonna try to start it for right now and get it out of here so I could show y'all like a walk around of the truck. A lo mejor le voy a echar un gallito también porque ya tiene mucho rato aquí parada la troca. Estoy seguro que no va a prender. I wanted to buy some new valve covers on this one, some headers. What else? Kind of just dress up the engine a little bit better. And some starting fluid. Anybody fix four-wheelers? This one needs work. My old dually wheels, and I want that go-kart fixed. So if somebody works on go-karts that could fix that, that's a Yerf dog. That one was actually a push start motor. I forgot what was wrong with it. What was wrong with that go-kart the first time? Que ya no quiso jalar. Que no quiso prender. No, not yet. Let's see. Not yet. si no me sale una víbora por ahí. Si no traigo la sierra y le paso cables.
No, con este debe jalar bien.
Sí. I try it again. I think que no está haciendo muy bien este contact. Ahorita que le moví ya, you see, it's sparking.
Let it try for unos 10 minutes. Así en regular truck. Ahorita la más la está calentando.
Ahí está bien. Just gonna wait, charge it up for a little bit, and try it again in a few minutes.
Fine. Yeah, when it's there, that's when it just started.
Let it go? It should stay on. Try to move it from here and I'll take it out, that way you guys can see it more because I'm running out of daylight. So here it is, my 86 Chevrolet C-30 Silverado. I've done the leather interior. I had wrapped the dash also. Did LEDs on here. There I have the sunroof. I don't like my carpet. I had got it done. I never liked it. It was always like wrinkly everywhere. So I want to get that redone. I don't like the little pockets. They're too flimsy. The guy that did my interior, he didn't really reupholster. How do you say, he didn't really refoam it, he just basically did it over, so that's why I have this little dip right here. But and everything else looks alright except for the pockets. I don't like the little pockets on the door. I did the billet trim on here, billet right here on the gauges, on the AC vents. I got my air freshener done, billet. Oops. LEDs, my clear parking lamps. These are LED tail lights. You can't really tell, but inside is the whole board full of LEDs. I have bought these from LMC like 4 or 5 years ago. They were expensive. They were like 300 bucks. LEDs all over. This one don't want to turn on. I'm gonna have to go buy a new one at a truck stop. All 6 of them. No dummy wheels. Dual gas tanks. Clear with orange. I had wired up my low beam and the high beam together. Put switchbacks in there. LED on the cab lights. Oh, my billet mirror, I didn't even talk about that. The spikes on the plates to match the spikes on the wheels. I think that's pretty much it. Chay, don't get scared. And I got a real train horn. It's not one of those horn blasters or anything. It's actual train horn. It's a Nathan brand. So I just need a good wash, a good buff. Driving around. I could probably drive it around right now, but my stickers are out. Insurance is good, but my stickers are out. I know I've neglected this one too. It's been in the carport. I actually had it before I brought it here. I had it in a carport at home. And my old videos, if y'all seen the back where I have like a little house, that used to be a carport, and I used to have this one in there, my back one and the 67. So I converted that into a little house back there. So I had to move these out. But I did used to have them in like a garage carport. But what I really need to buy is like the actual cover for the cars. Have one for this one. Have one for the back one. The 67 maybe. But I already built the little carport for those two.